Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to turn off digit notifications temporarily. If you want to break from digit notifications, whether for a vacation, for focus time, or just to reduce phone alerts, you can temporarily disable them without turning off your account or stopping your savings. Let me show you how to do it. So first, open the digit app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon, or you can just navigate to settings. Once you're there, look for notification settings or preferences. You're going to see options for push notifications, text messages, and email updates. Go ahead and toggle off the notification that you want to mute. Now, a quick tip is if you only want to stop saving related messages, but you still want to receive, accounts alerts, then selectively disable only those categories. You're only going to disable saving related messages, but you're not going to touch account alert messages. So to re-enable notification at any time, just return to the same settings and toggle them back on. Digit will resume sending you updates as usual. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.